Why does developing a child's interest in learning matter so much? It's a question that puzzles many. It all boils down to this. A child with a keen interest in learning is a child who is open to exploring, discovering and growing. Today, we will delve into the 10 most effective tips to develop your child's interest in learning. Scene script, Section 1. Make learning fun. Learning doesn't have to be a chore. When we infuse elements of fun into the learning process, it becomes an activity that children look forward to. This can be done by incorporating games, puzzles, or even interactive digital platforms into their study time. Remember, when children are having fun, they are more likely to be engaged and retain what they learn. Section 2. Connect learning to real-life experiences. Learning becomes more meaningful when children can relate it to their everyday life. This could be as simple as teaching fractions through baking or explaining the water cycle through the weather outside. When children see the relevance of what they're learning, it sparks their interest and makes the learning process more impactful. Section 3. Encourage breaks and physical activity. All work and no play is not the way to go. Children need breaks to recharge and refocus. Encourage physical activities during these breaks. It not only gives them a much-needed breather, but also helps to increase their concentration levels when they get back to studying. Section 4. Encourage curiosity and exploration. Curiosity is the fuel for discovery. Encourage your child to ask questions, explore different concepts, and delve deeper into topics that pique their interest. This builds a positive attitude towards learning and fosters a love for knowledge. Section 5. Set realistic expectations. Setting the bar too high can lead to unnecessary pressure and stress. It's important to set realistic, achievable goals for your child. This helps them stay motivated and builds their confidence when they meet these goals. Section 6. Model positive learning behaviors. Children often mirror the behaviors they see around them. By modeling a positive attitude towards learning, showing enthusiasm, and demonstrating a consistent study routine, you can inspire your child to develop similar positive learning habits. Section 7. Find your child's learning style. Every child is unique, and so is their style of learning. Some children are visual learners, others learn better by listening, and some prefer a hands-on approach. Identifying your child's learning style can help tailor their study methods in a way that best suits them, making learning more enjoyable and effective. In summary, developing a child's interest in learning hinges on making learning fun, connecting it to real-life experiences, encouraging breaks and physical activity, fostering curiosity, setting realistic expectations, modeling positive behaviors, and understanding your child's unique learning style. Remember, the goal is to cultivate a lifelong love for learning that will serve as a foundation for their future success.